You know, sometimes common is a good thing. Sometimes it's not. But when it comes to career and technology education, everyone knows that common just can't compete. So how can you, as an educator, help students stand apart from the crowd and distinguish themselves now, while also preparing to excel in college and their future careers? Certiport is the cure for the common technology education, with a pathway to take your students from common to cutting edge by helping them get certified and get noticed. The Certiport Total Solution begins by providing you additional resources to supplement your curriculum and develop your students' skills. Next, you and your students can take advantage of Certiport practice exams to build confidence and check preparedness. Third, your students validate their knowledge with official, industry-recognized certification exams. Certiport testing always takes place in a proctored environment. Students are required to perform tasks within the software, rather than just answer questions about it, which means they leave with a demonstrated ability. No two students are the same. That's why Certiport offers a sophisticated portfolio of leading certification programs to meet the needs and interests of your students. You'll find certifications for the tech minimalists who need proficiency beyond the operation of their smartphone, the budding business buff who has already mastered the art of human networking, the creative graphics genius who doodles in animated form, and the tech-savvy guru who serves as personal IT support for the principal. Studies show these students do better in school and getting jobs than their peers. They build their resumes with verifiable value, and they become the most productive and sought-after employees. What you're giving your students goes beyond certification. With the help of Certiport's full pathway, you provide them a unique level of college and career readiness. It's time to cure the common education with Certiport. Get started today by visiting Certiport.com.